Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can simply merge playlists or how you can combine playlists on Spotify. So what you want to do, I recommend doing it on computer, don't do it on mobile, because on mobile you need to do it one by one. So I gotta see that I got the Stoicism here, right? Or Sahmen. What you want to do is press Ctrl A, then Ctrl C to copy them. So what do? Ctrl plus A, then press Ctrl plus C, and when you got it, I come here and Ctrl V, copy, Ctrl plus V to paste. So Ctrl plus A is to select every song in playlist. Ctrl C is to copy every song in playlist, and Ctrl V is to paste all songs to new playlist. And then what you can do is to simply delete the last playlist. So let's go with it again. I'm in Peace when I have 3 songs. Ctrl A to copy them. Then I will go to Logic, and now I will go Ctrl V, and they will be automatically added, as you can see. And now I have all songs in my playlist, new playlist, and I just delete the past one I had. So where is it? It would just delete the last one. Yeah, this one here, delete. And this is pretty much it, how we do it. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.